And Zion Raga, yeah, man. Me wake up to the ancient beat, drum talk under me feet, wine whisper through the trees, carry a message pon the breeze, from Africa to Caribbean shore. Me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echoed through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill, but the drum remind me of me root. The melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today, cause music heal what pain divide, and love not hide. Call of the drum, rise and play, guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace, let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum, pure vibration, unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close my eyes and me travel far, beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale, every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm, truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street, drum beat under me feet. Children dance, women sing, hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure, long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain, from Shashaman to Kingston town. Drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light, burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home, never alone. Call of the drum, rise and play, guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace, let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum, pure vibration, unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright, birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me, mountain of Zion stand. stand so tall. Jah love overall. Me trod the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still aglow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down upon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top, me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree, said Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From child come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah hand true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion, me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Na na, na 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 na, na na, na 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 na. Whoa. Mountain of Zion.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke with Zion, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me try the road them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader, the chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths them wise and pro, chant redemption load. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. The battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul pan higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
Aye. Roll a spliff with kamikaze kusha, man. Yeah. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand. Drumbeat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chanting on my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth, them rise and shine. Shoot a line, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. How love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory. Every pain become just story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drum beat, every sound. Jah spirit circle round from Kingston town to Addis Plain. Freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Rasta spirits ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Your presence everywhere. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Your truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever burn till the righteous are returned.
Smoke a spliff in the morning, yeah man.
Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dip on the sea. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Beside me drum, me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the
flavor. In a every sight, me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life, me no need no goal. Just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah, ever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
And sweet ka by me side, yeah man. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy sound, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again, from the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all, me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease, the river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal, and how the truth reveal. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never end, it flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire, no joy can stop the stream. Love forever dream. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt.
Peace for the world. Oh. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence now, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Hey. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try for hush, them try for hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth. All them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame, Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high, lift your voice to the sky. Chanter sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me say the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love will bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Ganja with Zion, Reggae man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Urban hope in the same air. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow when spirit high. Zion grow in a we, like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in air. Me teach the youth fi till the land. Fi feel Jah works in a them hand. The seed them plant, them future build. With every crop a life fulfill. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf the truth improve. Zion grow in a way, like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Meditation deep like rain in spring. Roots vibration make me sing. Me chanting I feel me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our yard. Only truth and works of God. Zion of our it starting
a soul and grow in a way like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gates, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a way like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, Zion grow in a way for all who chant and plant faithfully.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Marcus rule this place, yeah, man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shine in line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone.
yeah, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod. From earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and nature, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and hold. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laughing, I had pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them true reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trod it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever. High level reggae, yeah, man. Blaze up on the mountain peak.
night. Every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still. Zion fire reveal Jah will. Echo roll across the plain. Wash away the guilt and
Jah bless the land and the people, your man.
Deep within the sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, by might, garden grow in Jah light. Living roots entwined so free, carrying love eternally. Whispers of a breeze of peace, garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace, feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy
a man is so high and music play a man. Hear the pounding in the street, iron drum beat, move the feet, calling warriors, calling friends, rhythm rise and Babylon ends, thunder echo, bassline roll, iron drum ignite the soul, no more silence, no retreat, people march on iron beat, sound wave travel, wall collapse, iron drum close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound, drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane, iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall, drum of Zion call them all. Through the fire, through the fight, iron drum a guiding light. Strike the skin, release the cry, freedom echo through the sky. With every strike, drum unite them all alike. Not for hatred, not for greed, drum beat carry what we need. Rise together, hold the line, iron rhythm, pure divine. Stronger, louder, day by day, drum of freedom, clear the way. Pulse eternal, steady strong, forever song.
chant, yeah, man. Oh, oh, I. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. In the rhythm, rain a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far. Guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, my spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything align, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start for show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea, Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever sound. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. Oh, one heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever in Jah name. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Smoke and meditate, your man. Aye, aye, aye. Smoke and meditate, your man. Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living light. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me ear. The world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them goal. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Freedom sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child, say justice nothing mild. Me see the father chant a prayer, Jah always there. Me see the system lose control, people claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line, time for redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall, me just answer Jah call. Cause from the ruin come rebirth, new heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red, a sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand, guided by Jah hand. Tears turn river, pain turn song, Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay, Jah show the way. No crown for the wicked king, only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call, Babylon fall. Babylon falling, hear the sound, walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key, set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay, Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn, righteousness return. Babylon down but spirits high, Jah rule the sky. From ruin come creation new, blessings true and through. When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free, Jah eternity. Babylon falling, people free. Ay, ay, ay. Babylon falling, people free. Ay, ay, ay. Babylon falling, people free. Bada bim, bada bim, bada bim, bada boom. Kaya cushion a me look. Me sit on stone in a dance so cool. Me hold me chalice like holy tool. The firelight, the smoke arise. Me third eye open, need disguise. Me feel Jah whisper in a breeze. Me soul at rest, me mind at ease. No rush, no stress, me take me time. Each draw a prayer, each puff a rhyme. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Oh, oh, oh. Me hear the drum beat in me chest. Heartbeat sync with the ancients' quest. Me chant Psalm 23 so soft, while ganja cloud me spirit lift aloft. Me no deal with vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me
alone can't know.